Hey guys, welcome back to Craft Challenges. If you're here, then that means that you wanted to learn how to make a grape chain. You're only going to need a couple things for this project. One would be purple paper. I only had dark blue, so I'm just going to use that. Just a little bit of green paper, some tape, a scissors, a pencil, and a ruler or a straight edge. Alright, let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is just make straight lines all the way across our purple, or in my case, dark blue paper. Once you have that done, then you're going to cut on all of the straight lines. Once you have all of your paper ready, take one piece of paper and some tape, and then you're going to make a ring out of it. Once you have that first ring done, then you're going to make two more rings, and you're going to put them in through the same ring that you already have done. So then you have a chain of what will be 3. This is where it starts to get a little bit tricky. Now you're going to take another one and put it through the ring on the far left. And then you're going to take one and put it on the ring to the far right. So it will seem like you have a chain of 5. But you're actually going to take another piece of paper and chain the 2 that you just put on together. So then you'll have what will actually be like a pyramid shape on your chain. If you happen to run into the same problem that I run into right here, my suggestion is you take one of the chains that you just put on off and then reconnect it using the 2 chains that are closest. Just watch here and you'll understand what I mean. At the end of this step, you should have something that looks kind of like this. Then you're going to take some more of your paper and you're going to loop it through the 2 on the edges on the top. If you got this far and you ran out of paper just like I did, that's okay. You're only going to need about 3 more pieces of paper. So go ahead and cut those up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now for this last step, you're going to take one of the loops and you're just going to set it in the middle without connecting it to anything. Then for the last 2 pieces of paper, you're going to connect the middle to one of the ends on the side, so to the left. And then you're going to take the last piece and you're going to connect the middle to the end on the right. And now for the last step, you're just going to take your green piece and add it on the top like it were a leaf on your grapes. And once you have that done, then you have your grapes. Hope you guys had fun. See you tomorrow.